Hey everyone, Tomer here and welcome to Outsourcing Yourself. This is the introduction for the Outsourcing Yourself course, and don't be afraid about this snowball here. He's just a mic, so he's just here to make sure that you're gonna listen to me carefully. Now let's talk about what's inside this course. So in module 1 we're gonna get started. We're gonna talk about the benefits of outsourcing, why is it good for you and why it might be not good for some people, the mindset of a boss. This is a big part because we want to know that you really have the mindset of a boss. You want to tweak in a little bit and make you think like a boss and not like an employee. Now the last part of the first module is going to be to getting your priority list in check, which means we're going to cover everything you need to do before you start hiring someone. Now in module 2 we're going to talk about finding your superstar. We're going to start by talking about mini hiring, and this is a little part that we want to know and it's something that we use a lot in our business. The second part is going to be finding your superstar. This is the crucial part because you want to find not B players, you want to find A players. So we're going to talk to you all about how you should get started finding those superstars. Now the last part is the critical task. This is really crucial because so often than not, those people that we're trying to hire are going to be just running away and they're not going to be here for a long time. Which means many times I had people working for me and after a week they just quit. They didn't even send me any resignation letter, they just quit. And we want to first of all challenge them, see that they stick around for the critical task, and only then we're gonna really accept them to working with us. And the last part is the hiring and a special bonus. Now hiring documents is kind of boring, but you'll have to go through this, so we're gonna teach you exactly how we do it in our business. And we need to talk to you about reporting and keeping track of your employees because we want to know exactly what they did every day. And lastly, we're gonna show you a special bonus. Now I'm not gonna talk about the bonus in this video. You will have to go all throughout the course and only then go to the bonus. We're not gonna show it now. So I hope you will enjoy this course. It's really something that helped me a lot outsourcing myself, and I've done it successfully for the last, I think, 3 to 4 years. I've had these people with me and one of them is a long time with me, and you're gonna see the bonus, and I'm not gonna give you any more hints. So let's start with this course. Good luck, and I hope you will find really good people to work with.